Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again to another video, and in this video we will be doing a softbox light setup under 3,500 rupees, which is under $50. I'm not freaking out, that's the real truth. Many would say that if you want to get a good, if you want to get a great softbox light setup, you should have at least $100. It is just a myth, because I did a setup wholly consisting of around $150, which I would say a crazy amount for doing a softbox light. I kept this restriction and then purchased little products and then did my setup, and it came around $50 approximately, around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees, which is crazy. And so I'm going to share you guys my experience how I did it, and all the product links will be in the description down below. You can check that out well if you want to buy one. So that's great, right? Let's get started. So we have the product itself over here, and yeah, this is the package I received yesterday. I hope we hear the softbox light would be there. Let's get it unboxed. Boom, we got another cardboard box over here, and here we go with the cover itself. It says Godox over there, and let's unravel it. And we get the product itself. It looks pretty well like umbrella, and yes, and that's yeah. And then we have to unfold it, and then we have to eject it properly in the that stand. And I have already fitted the light bulb holder with the bulb into my light stand. So we have just want to fit this umbrella stand out on that, and let's fit it out, and it pretty well looks like this. Then we have to take the cloth provided in the softbox package itself and use that white cloth and put it over there and put it over that softbox. And after it pretty well looks like this. And as mentioned, all the links will be in the description down below. You can check that out. As mentioned before, the prices may vary. At the time of shooting, it got me around 3,500 rupees, which is hardly around $50. But again, when you're buying this, it might be higher or it might be lower. So that's according to the timing. So I can't tell that. And yeah,